G'day folks, welcome back to Pete's Investing. It's March 18, 2024. This is the US crude oil and Brent crude oil price analysis. So we're still stuck in this channel and it's making some headway. All timelines are showing long positions. We're also introducing a new table we're going to go through and update every time we post a video. And you can see here I've got various instruments including some FOREX pairs. But today we're going to talk about US crude. And you can see their monthly, weekly and daily trends are all showing long positionings. First we'll talk about US crude. You can see here on the weekly and daily, both our ADX and the CCI 150 are showing bullish movement. Also on the hourly as well. The hourly is broken down. It's showing a somewhat, almost a bearish divergence, but it's a bit bearish there, so just be careful. It might actually break to the downside. You can see here on the daily chart, I'll just blow that up. This is showing still caught in this diagonal rising channel, and it's just hovering around that resistance at 80.50, and it may break above that trend line, the diagonal trend line. If it does break around it substantially, we're going to see further upside, obviously. Now, in terms of where it may stop, let's just try and draw some Fibonacci's. So if we drew one from that low to that high, you can see there it's currently hovering around the 50% level. So if it breaks much higher than that, the next level support will be the 61%. And if it breaks much higher than that, we're going to see a lot more bullish movement to look out for. But let's take it one step at a time. First things first, it needs to break above this 50% outside of this channel. Alternatively, it may actually break to the downside and keep bouncing within that range in the short term. On the weekly, you can see there it's drawn the same Fibonacci level. I won't redraw it. And for Brent crude, we have a very similar pattern. I've got this diagonal rising channel on the daily, but I've also drawn this Fibonacci range on the daily as well. And you can see there, this is actually broken higher than the 50% level. The US crude was at the 50% level. This one's actually breaking a bit higher, and somewhat in the mid-range between the 50 and 61%, so it may well reach the 61% in the short term. If I move that Fibonacci to this recent high there, you can see there it's already at the 61% level. Again, if it breaks higher than that, then the next level will be on the bigger time frame, on the bigger Fibonacci range. So as a trading idea, what we've got here is the daily and 2 hourly charts, and the hourly charts we're trading based on the Heikin-Ashi breaking to the upside and being green, would go long positions only. So because the monthly, weekly and daily are showing long positionings, we're going to take long positions only. And what I've done here is, because it's broken above the moving average band on the daily, we take our first trades on that candle there, and I've drawn a back test to that point there. You can see there on the average down approach, it's generated $130, and on the stop loss approach, it's generated $30. So just stay tuned to the end of the video. You've got the trading rules for both the average down and the stop loss approach. So stay tuned to the very end of the video. This is the first slide. I've got 2 slides. The first slide is the average down rules. So you can pause the video and read that in your own leisure. And the second slide shows the stop loss rules. Again, pause the video at your own leisure. Thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button. Hit that notification bell, and we'll see you in a future video.